Pag sinabi po nating nag-lock, again, I repeat, this is all about the physical connection between your husband and you, okay? Husband and wife. Connection nyo po yan. You engage in the act and both feel the depth of penetration. Oh, why not? Diba, no? Kung pakiramdam nyo naman ay masarap yung feeling without even thinking. Huwag mo iisipin na lalak ka, kuya. Huwag iniisip po yan. Okay? Kaya po ganun yun. Bakit? Kasi merong vaginal contraction because meron true orgasm si Mrs. You understand now? Ha? Okay. Ngayon, iba kasi sinasabi nila, ay, nag-lock yan, Tita Doc, dangerous yan. No, it's not. Okay? Remember, it might be uncomfortable, but it is not harmful. Okay? Ayos ba? So, yung sensation na yan, pag naging problematic or painful, if it happens frequently, it is a good idea to consult a healthcare provider para ma-rule out po ang any medical conditions that might be contributing to the experience. Okay na. So wag po kayo makikinig sa mga kung ano-ano mga kadoodles-doodles dyan. Alright. Okay, so next Sunday po, we will be talking about the fourth topic. Hindi natin na-touch yan. Marami pong texters. Marami nagtatanong and bawat isang tanong talagang sinasagot ko po. Very important na detailed ang sagot ni Tita Doc. Hindi lang basta mababaw lamang. Kaya humaba yung ating mga Q&A. So next Sunday, I will be talking about bakit ba ang mga lalaki ay babaero? Gagawin natin isang kanta doon, yung may kanta doon di ba, Don and Austin, yung babaero, di ba? Oo. So gawin natin yung music yan sa next Sunday. Kasi one of the topic is why the most men are womanizers, okay? Bakit nga ba? Hindi ko na sasabihin yan, hindi ko na explain kasi 3:56 na po. Remember, si Tita Doc ay nandito, no? Para sa inyo, kaserbisyo, to talk about any problems about sexual wellness. Wala pong bastos dito. And remember, ito pong programa ito ay SPG. Hindi pa pwede ito sa mga bata. Okay? And if you think that I'm talking bastos, I'm not. Because it's all about your anatomy, my anatomy, your physiology, my physiology, and all about physics, chemistry, biology, and psychology. Okay? It's all about science. Science pa rin, hindi ba? Kaya yung sinasabi nila, Tita Doc, yung sex na yun, alam ko na yan. Stop it. Don't say that. Okay? Remember, sex is not just sex. It's not just sex. Sex is complicated. Sex is problematic. Bakit po problematic? Bakit complicated? Why? Because kung bata ka pa, early adolescent ka, you can, what? Become pregnant. Or kung lalaki ka, makakabuntis ka. Or if not, baka magkaroon ka ng STD, sexually transmitted disease. So, be very careful, mga kaserbisyo. Hindi po madali ang mag-sex lamang. Okay? Think. You have something inside your skull. In the core of your brain, isipin mo na dapat tama yung ginagawa mo, hindi lang na-L ka. Mali po yan. Ha? Remember, yung po tinatawag na sexualidad, ay madali lang po yung sex, but when you make love, it has to be sensual. Okay? Sensuality is important. Hindi lamang sexuality. Got that? Gusto ko palang pasalamatan ng UST. Okay? Ang UST po ay binigyan po ako again ng award for being on my social media talking about sex education. Thank you so much, UST. At nandoon po sa College of Science yung mukha ni Tita Doc. Okay, nagpapasalamat sila na may isang taong ganito na nagto-talk about sex education. Matapang, hindi nahihiya. Yes, and I believe that sex is not taboo. Sex is okay, and it's dangerous and it's problematic, but we should have to talk about it. Okay, so I gotta say goodbye. It's 4 o'clock. ng madaling araw. At mamaya-maya lang po ay nandiyan na po si Brother Lubrian ng Sunny Side Up. Okay? Love you guys. This is Doc Lulu of Private Talks. Bye!